What's up, my LS crazy amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah, we're at the Trailblazer project here in the garage shop. We're gonna swap the cam out of this truck because we want a little bit more of aggressive cam, you know. So we're gonna swap it out. And first thing you gotta do is you gotta take the timing cover off, remove the timing sprocket, the cam sprocket, and then you have this. This is the cam, I guess we call it the retainment, I guess, piece that holds the cam in place. And then I'm about ready to pull this cam out. This is the time to be slow and steady because you don't want to mess up those bearings pulling this cam out. And LS2 cam, and we're going to switch it out for a Brian Tooley Stage 2 LS3 cam. Let's compare them. Now here we got both cams side by side. You know, at a glance you can't really tell a difference, but this is the Trailblazer SS out of LS2, and this is the Brian Tooley LS3 Stage 2 cam. This has a gross valve lift of 612 on the intake, 585, I believe. Yeah, 585 on the exhaust, and the lobe separation is 113. All right. Now, also, the duration at 50,000 is 225, and I believe 238. And this is going to get me out of the hole pretty quick. Not that I'm going to be racing this truck or anything like that, because I don't do that type of stuff. But even still, it's also going to give me tree stump pulling power. Yeah, here go the cam. Now this is something that I don't even want to mess around with. I want to hurry up and get this taken care of. Just put this cam right back in, take it out quick, put it back in quick. Little Earl. It out quick, put it back in quick, and lock it down. This is the tough part. Sell kits with two longer bolts, so you have a little leverage. A little bit easier, but the stock bolts out the cam work just fine. There you go. Cam is installed. And then all you gotta do is torque down the 4 cam retainer bolts to 18 foot-pounds of torque. Torque down the cam sprocket bolts, these 3 right here, to 26. And you just installed a cam in your LS. And so now we're about to start putting this engine back together. And to me, it's the most exciting time of an LS install because you're gonna start to see the engine get built back up. It's a wonderful time, wonderful time. But if you like these videos, if you like what I'm doing here, because remember, I always say it, I know I always say it because you're gonna say, Terry, you always say it, but it's so true. There's no me without you. So if you enjoy these videos, hit the like, hit the subscribe on Facebook, send it to all your friends. Give the gift of Terry and videos. Yeah, do all that on Instagram, every type of social media. Share Terry, that's right. But you know what? I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Yeah, it's about that time. Time for me to head on off and continue to keep on building up on this engine because there's gonna be some tricks going to it, and I want you to stay tuned and see what I do. All right. So as always, please be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.